Hi, this is Jason here. Today is Tuesday, January 31st, 2012, last day of the month. That fun day where we have to pay rent and bills and car payments and mortgages. And oh, yeah, what a wonderful day in the neighborhood, huh? Okay, but anyway, the good thing is, even though we have all those bills to pay, is that it's 2012, the world is still here, and we're still trading Forex. Yes, indeed. Okay, maybe futures too. Yeah, maybe there's some of you who trade futures with my systems. Anyway, so here is the 1 hour chart of the Euro USD. Our first trade setup bar was right here, 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so let's go take a look-see on a lower time frame to see if there was a trade, indeed a trade there at that time. Okay, I always do that. I gotta put my, oh no, I have it there in the correct spot. Okay, there we go. Big rundown today. Okay, so here's 7 o'clock right here, 15 minute. As you can see, it went a little lower, opened up, went a little lower, went high, and closed there. This one opened up, came a little lower, but not to our trigger area, okay? Shot up, almost hit R1. See R1 there? I know it's a little hard to see it, but there's R1, the R1 line, okay? That is definitely qualifying to sell. So it was within half an hour, and then it shot down, okay? And you sold it at 31.74. Okay, that was indeed a trade. So let's now go back to the 1 hour. So you got in at 31.75 and it closed down here. So you made, if you use my rules by getting out of the trade at the close of the candle, remember, if you don't, sometimes it shoots up in the opposite way like it did here. Okay. But anyway, it did not reach our target, okay, excuse me, which was 31.50 or the pivot, okay. So that would have been a total of 25 pips to 31.50 and 34 pips to the pivot. But instead, we got about 10 pips minus the spread, 10, 11 pips out of this trade. Then, on the 3 o'clock candle, there was no trade. If it would have came down, opened up, came down, maybe to here, or even a few pips below here, then came up and turned blue, and run up to R1, that would have been a trade, but there was no trade. Okay? Same with this candle here, because the R1 and the 32 level, okay, which is a powerful level that they sold off there as well last month. That's probably why they sold off again there today. But anyway, there was no trade on there because these two lines were too close, and there's just no trade. Remember, we need 10 pips from entry to our target. And our target is these lines we have on the charts, whether it be the pivot, S1, S2, S3, R1, R2, R3, or 32 whole numbers, or the midpoint numbers. Please remember that. I also want to say quickly here that soon I'll be giving you guys, in about a week or so, once I get some time, I'll be giving you guys those extra indicators that Vladimir was saying that he used with this system, okay, to make, you can see the trades better and stuff. And I'll be sharing that with you soon. 2 special custom-made indicators. And yes, there's no charge for those indicators. I'm giving those to all the lovely people who see the value in this system and didn't request a refund. Of course, there's some of you who have bought it just last week. You're going to receive it as well. You know, hopefully you'll see the value in this and you won't get a refund. But I show winning trades every day. It's not like I come here every day and show, oh, 5 losing trades and 1 winner. It's like the opposite. I'll show 5 to 8 or even 9 winning trades before I show you a loser. And I just don't understand why people get their money back, but they do. Boop, boop, be doo. Anyway, okay, so let's move on here now. And right here, yes, indeed. This is the 8 o'clock U.S. session now. So we finished with the UK session. There was one trade. It was a sell. It was a 12 pip winner. Okay, there was no trades on the other two candles, which is 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Okay, so here's 8 o'clock right here. There was no trade on here. Okay, it just opened up and went down and closed lower. But was there a trade on the 9 o'clock candle? You bet your little booty there was. Okay, so let me show you that trade. Basically, if you draw a trend line here, okay, there it is. Even though it didn't quite make it to here, okay, still, this candle opened up. You need 2 points in where you can draw. You need 2 points of a destination of where you can draw a trend line, okay? Like here's one over here. Let me show you. Okay, you can see here. Here's it almost bounced off there. Here it went through it a little bit. But anyway, to show you. So what they did here is they came up, it opened up here, shot up, sold off this here, came back down, turned red. You would have got short right there. Okay? So if you got short there, 1 pip, our first target was 20 pips, the pivot was 30, 29 pips or so. If you were brave enough to hold it, well, you're making like 100 pips right now. But anyway, that was the one trade. There was basically no trade on here. It would have been nice if it would have opened up here, went up to 31.50, came back down, turned red. You would have got short here, right down, boom to S1. Okay, this candle here is our 11 o'clock candle. There's no trading on that candle. But as you can see, it did work out. Retraced back up, rejected 31, came back down below S1, sell it, boom, you'd be making pips right now. And I do tell people you can trade this at other times of the day, but I specifically tell you to trade it at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time in the middle of the night. That's the UK. And I tell you to trade it on 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time. That's the US session. Okay? I pick those times because that's when the market moves. Try and trade this in the Asia session. I don't know if it's going to work for you. Okay? So, when all else fails, go by the rules. Okay. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great, great day.